Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of creating your very own Roblox account. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, we'll walk you through each step to get you set up and ready to play. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Roblox app. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app on your Android device. Next, it's time to sign up. When you launch the app, you'll see a Sign Up button prominently displayed on the screen. Tap on that to begin the registration process. Now, you'll need to enter your details. This includes providing your birthday, choosing a unique username that represents you, and creating a password to keep your account secure. You'll also have the option to select your gender, but this step is entirely optional. After filling in your details, it's important to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification link sent from Roblox. Click on that link to confirm your account. This step is crucial as it helps secure your account and ensures you can recover it if you ever forget your password. Once your email is verified, it's time to customize your profile. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Here, you can add an avatar to represent you in the game, connect your social networks, and personalize your profile to make it truly yours. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Roblox account and can now dive into the world of games, creativity, and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips.